The Wim Hof breathing exercise has been absolutely amazing for me. I'm like so energized by it, and I was reading the science and stuff behind it too. It's actually really good for you, like health-wise, and really an amazing exercise, you guys. It's really... I'm already starting the breathing exercise. Okay, so let's see here. I think this is it. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to try to hold this because seriously, being able to see that little number running helps. You guys will be surprised how much it helps. Okay, so, all right, is everybody ready? Okay, so what you need to do first is find a comfortable place, like sit down or lay down. Do not stand up and do this breathing exercise. Now, he's going to walk you through it. He's going to mention stuff while he's going, and so, you know, you'll know what you're supposed to do, but mostly, let me tell you this in the very beginning, you bring the breath from the belly all the way up into the chest completely, and then you let it go. There's going to be something on the screen that shows the breath coming in and the breath coming out. Just follow it and follow his instructions, because I'm not going to be doing any more talking while this is going on, because I'm doing the exercise. Okay, come on. Now, here we go. Everybody ready?
All right, guys, welcome. This is a guided breathing session.
Here we go.
Relax to the deepest. Lie down, sit down, whatever it takes. Relax. Are you ready? Here we go.
Here we go.
Round number 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Just go with the flow of the breath. In, out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Into the belly, into the chest, and let go. Like a wave. Make it circular. Fully in and letting go. Just keep on going. No pause between inhalation and exhalation. Ten more. Fully in, let it go.
This is where I low-key start panicking.
5 more. Let's give it all we got. Last one. Fully in and let go. All right. 30 seconds breath hold from now on. Be in this moment. Let the body do what the body is capable of doing. Be aware of your heartbeat. Slow it down and just be in this moment. Okay, recovery breath in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Round number 2. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Into the belly, into the chest, and let go. Like a wave. Make it circular. Fully in and letting go. Just keep on going. No pause between inhalation and exhalation. Ten more. Fully in, let it go. Nice, deep, circular breaths. Five more. Let's give it all we got. Last one. Fully in. And on the exhale, stop. 1 minute, breath hold from now on. Feel, become aware of your body. If your hands and feet are tingling, or you feel your body temperature is changing, that's okay. You're doing fantastic. If you need to breathe before I give the cue, that's okay. You are almost there. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe. When you are ready, fully in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go.
Oh my gosh, you guys, don't try to laugh during this.
Round number 3. Back into that rhythm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. In. Out. In. Out. Into the belly. Into the chest and let go. Like a wave. Make it circular. Fully in and letting go. Just keep on going. No pause between inhalation and exhalation. Ten more. Fully in. Let it go. Nice, deep, circular breaths. Five more. Let's give it all we got. Last one. Fully in. And on the exhale, stop. 1.5 minute breath hold from now on. become aware of the blood running through your veins, your heart beating. Feel. "30 seconds left. You are almost there. Do you want to prolong your breath hold? Pause the video now and continue when you feel the urge to breathe. All right. Breathe in and hold for 15 seconds. Exhale in 3, 2, 1. Let it go. Let your breathing return to normal as you finish up the round. Move your body bit by bit, starting with your fingers and your toes.
Wow, you guys.
Let your breathing normalize. If you liked this guided breathing session, we got more for you. We got a free app on our website.
Yeah, definitely go check out this free
Download
app, you
it.
guys.
It's good stuff.
I'll link it in the bottom too.
Thanks for your time.
It is so cool to do this exercise. One, afterwards I feel like so energized, you know, like the blood's running through my body. But while you're in it, and like the very first time I held my breath for 30 seconds, I was just like total panic. And so it's really cool to like hold yourself in a place of panic and then just take yourself out of it. You know what I mean? Like just, and then seeing that you can calm your heart down because your heart starts to really race and it's like, I need to breathe. For me, this whole thing has been like, it's a whole mind over matter too. So, but there is science behind this breathing that Wim Hof does. In the description box, I will post videos that helped me understand why this breath is really beneficial and the science behind it. And I will link his app in the description box too. I love you guys. Thanks for watching.